Hey Quest Kids, happy Thursday. This Sunday coming up is Palm Sunday. It's a very special Sunday where actually remember this scene right here when Jesus comes in on donkey. People throw down palm leaves and everything as he's going into the city of Jerusalem. Hi Jesus. Anyway, and the week between Palm Sunday and Easter Sunday, what we call Resurrection Sunday, is called Holy Week. A time to really remember and reflect before Resurrection Sunday. If you are ready to do something with me, get a little creative, then come on, let's go. Let's do a Holy Week devotional from home. What? Now that we have all of our supplies, let's get to marking this paper up. What we're gonna need is our ruler and a pencil at first. We need to mark this up into seven marks to make it into 8 groups, if that makes sense. We want 8 rows across, and that will be divided by 7 lines. That's gonna be kind of like an inch, maybe a little bit more, probably more, because I think it's about, that paper is 11.5. So I would say start about 1.5 inches, kind of double check to see if that makes sense for you. Like I said, you want 8 separate parts with 7 lines. Now with these little dots I have, I'm gonna make straight lines all the way across, like hamburger lines, horizontal lines all the way across my paper. Remember, you can pause this video whenever you need to. Now, about 2 or 3 inches in, I'm going to draw a line that is vertical from the top of the paper to the bottom of the paper using my ruler. See, 2.5 inches, I think. Now for part 2. Run and grab crayons, markers, paint, whatever you need. I'm grabbing mostly crayons. Crayons in slow motion. Crayons in slow motion. Go get your art supplies. Colors you will need is green, brown, silver, a light brown, a pink or a purpley, a blue, black, and if I didn't already say gray, gray. The big piece of paper is going to be our explanation of each day in Holy Week, while our little piece of paper is kind of like our mini calendar. This is the main section of the Holy Week devotional. So each day has some colors we're going to color on it. All right, are you guys ready? Let's go. The first day is Sunday. We're going to color it green for the palms that people put down when Jesus walked across for Palm Sunday. I color mine 2 different kinds of green. You can do whatever you like. The second day is Monday. Monday, we're going to be doing brown and silver. You can put them separately or you can put them together. Brown for the tables, silver for the coins and the money. For the next day, I forgot to record it. So I just wanted you to know that the next day is supposed to be light brown. I put some blue in there on accident, but it's supposed to be light brown for the alabaster jar and dark brown for Jesus' head. What I think is the 4th day is pink and purple for the cup and the Passover meal. The 5th day is dark blue, purple, black, whatever you can make it to look like a dark night. That's Jesus praying at nighttime, being arrested. I messed up a little bit there, but that's okay, guys. It's okay to mess up sometimes. The next day would be Friday. I put a brown cross on there, and then black for death and darkness, the hour of darkness. And then I redid the cross a little bit. I also put some red on the bottom half to symbolize blood, the blood that Jesus shed on the cross. On Saturday, I put gray for nothingness. And as you might notice, I messed up my count, and instead of having
the 8 days, I had 7 days. So you'll see it right now. I have the Sunday, which I'm putting gold or yellow on, and white. So those are the 8 days.
All right, Quest Kids, it looks like we're on stage 3 or part 3.
Take your other piece of paper and start writing the days of the week. Sunday in one, Monday in the next, Tuesday, Sunday to Sunday. In each of those spaces, we are going to write what we're going to do each day. At the top of each day, make sure to write to light the candle as the very first thing. Then, look at these slides I have over here. For Sunday, make sure you write green for the palm branches they waved, and then what you're supposed to read, and then the activity. I have one of these for each of the days, so you might want to scoot back a little bit and pause them so you can write them down. For the first activity on Sunday, I have Praising God ABC. That just means you're going to go through the alphabet and try and find a word that praises God with each letter of the alphabet, like A, Almighty. Friday being the day that Jesus died, when you get to the point that he died in the scripture, blow out the candle. On Saturday, do not light the candle. The last thing you're going to need is a candle. This candle we're going to move each day for the Holy Week devotional. This candle is going to symbolize Jesus and the light that he gives. He says he is the light of the world.
Okay, Quest Kids, I hope you enjoyed our Holy Week devotional, and I hope it helps you connect with Jesus this coming week. I love you guys. See you later.